Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for mall food court bourbon chicken, the same sweet, sticky, savory chicken that made walking through the food court impossible without stopping for a sample. And I'll show you how to get that signature glossy sauce and caramelized chicken right at home. For this recipe, you'll need boneless, skinless chicken thighs, fresh minced garlic, fresh minced ginger, onion, thin soy sauce, bourbon, apple cider vinegar, hoisin sauce, dark brown sugar, white sugar, roasted sesame oil, water, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cooking oil, and a cornstarch slurry. Begin by cubing the chicken. I like to leave the chicken thighs just slightly frozen in the middle. That makes them much easier to slice into evenly sized pieces, which means they'll cook more evenly in the wok. As you cube the chicken, place it into a mixing bowl. Now add a splash of thin soy sauce and stir until every piece is evenly coated. I like using a mushroom flavored soy sauce for this recipe because it adds a little more depth of flavor. I'll have that linked in the description below. Next, season the chicken with the onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Give everything another good stir so each piece is evenly coated. Set the chicken aside while you dice the onion. Now, let's build the sauce. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk together the dark brown sugar, white sugar, hoisin sauce, thin soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, roasted sesame oil, bourbon, and water until everything is fully combined. This sauce is what gives the bourbon chicken its signature balance of sweet, savory, and just a little tang. Set the sauce aside. Now, heat your cooking oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, begin cooking the chicken. Depending on the size of your pan, you may need to cook it in batches. Try not to overcrowd the pan. If the chicken is packed too tightly, it'll steam instead of brown. What you're looking for here is nicely caramelized edges while the chicken cooks through to an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once all of the chicken is cooked, transfer it to a plate and set it aside. Using the same wok, add the diced onions. Cook them until they become translucent and begin picking up a little color. Those brown bits left behind from the chicken are full of flavor, and the onions will help pull them right off the bottom of the wok. Now, add the garlic and ginger. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes just until fragrant. At this point, your kitchen should smell exactly like your favorite mall food court. Pour the prepared sauce into the wok and stir everything together. Bring the sauce to a boil. Once it's boiling, slowly stir in the cornstarch slurry. For this recipe, I used 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. As the sauce simmers, it'll begin thickening fairly quickly. I like to let it cook until it coats the back of a spatula. That's when you know it's ready to cling to every piece of chicken instead of running to the bottom of the plate. Now, return the cooked chicken to the sauce. Stir everything together until every piece is evenly coated in that thick, glossy bourbon sauce. Serve your Copycat Mall Food Court bourbon chicken over steamed white rice and garnish with sliced green onions. I also like adding a drizzle of sriracha for a little heat and mixing in some roasted peanuts or cashews for extra crunch. Don't forget, you can always check the description for the full ingredient list, step-by-step instructions, and the complete recipe. If you love Copycat comfort food recipes like this one, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you don't miss future recipes just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Now I want to know, what's your favorite mall food court order? Bourbon chicken, orange chicken, beef and broccoli, or something else? Let me know down in the comments, and as usual, happy cooking.